In 1903 the Wright brothers invented the plane. In that same year, Henry Ford launched General Motors. In 1964, high-speed trains were invented. However, in this modern day of technology and innovation, city planners are still perplexed as to how to solve one particularly problem: the first and last mile problem. Sure, trains, planes and automobiles were great for getting people from A to B, but most journeys involve a C. How do we get people from the train station to their office? From the bus station to their home? This is the first and last mile problem. The bicycle. To date, bicycles have not been smart. This is where we come in. Welcome to Urbo. Urbo stands for Urban Mobility. We use the latest tech and innovations to help people get where they need to go, faster. We are an Irish company, with a fusion of expertise in technology and bikes. Our team and partners have deep roots in the bicycle and technology industry. Our headquarters is based in Dublin, with over 10 staff. Our UK office is in London, with 7 staff. Our management team is made up of Shane Connaughton, who has supplied bikes to the largest retailers around the world, including Walmart, Argos and Toys R Us. Then there's Tom and Brian McGovern, who started, built and sold the company they started while in college. And finally Ian Cameron, who owns one of the world's largest bike-to-work schemes, with a client base including Google, Apple and Amazon. So how does dockless bike sharing work? Well, it's pretty simple. Users download an app where they can find the nearest bike. They then scan a QR code on a smart lock located at the back of the bike. This instantly opens the bike and it's ready for use. Once the journey is finished, they simply park the bike in a safe area and slide the lock back into place. Pretty smart, right? By connecting infrastructure, Urbo will drive efficiencies in cities, delivering national and regional transport policy targets. Unlike systems with docking stations which require capital investment from councils, the Urbo system is provided to councils at Euro 0. The Asian model is causing 2 major problems in Europe. Number 1. Price dumping. Competitors are going head-to-head in locations, making the business model unsustainable for smaller operators. At Urbo, we focus on locations where we secure exclusivity, giving ourselves ultimate protection from the largely funded operators. Number 2. Parking. The Asian model results in bikes being left everywhere, blocking sidewalks and littering the streets. At Urbo we have developed a smart cable lock, which means the bikes must be locked to existing parking infrastructure. We are already operating exclusively in boroughs across London, as well as Ipswich, with more to be announced in the coming months. Some cities will choose one exclusive operator. Many cities are choosing a multi-operator model. This means we will not see a monopoly in many locations. This means space for Asian operators alongside a European operator. Urbo will not launch in locations which foster the opportunity for unfair pricing. So why do councils want to work with Urbo? In short, it comes down to 3 words: bike, data and trust. We have an Irish-designed bike, with components sourced from around the world. Whether it's the saddles from Italy, the hand grips from Finland, or the lights from the Netherlands, this bike is a leading bike on the bike-sharing market. Then there's the data. With all trips tracked by GPS, we collect a vast amount of user data on a daily basis. All our data is stored between the UK and Ireland and is used with the local council and government to help cities and towns make their localities smarter. And then there is the trust. We focus on collaboration and open communication with councils. This, along with the fact we are European-based, means councils are assured we will provide a premium service they can rely on. Urbo is now raising investment finance to continue its growth across Europe. This request for funding represents an attractive opportunity for prospective investors to support a disruptive Irish company, with an experienced management team that has proven it can start, execute and exit businesses. The company has exceptional growth potential in a multi-billion euro industry that has proven itself in China in the last 3 years. The company has a top-class operational structure in an industry with favorable conditions. So hop on, it's time to join us on this journey.